was nice. Hi, we're out here on the long range today where I just got my hands on a Bear Creek Arsenal 308 Winchester upper, and I just put together a AR-10 to try it on. So this will be my first time putting rounds through. We got a cold day, unknown ammo, maybe 20-30 minutes of light left. We're gonna go for it anyway. And I want to shout out to everybody who's contacted me in the messages. I will hawk your penis enlarging pills. Just get back with me, and thanks for the death threats. It'll be awesome anytime. So let's give her a go, see if she chambers, see if she goes bang, and see if there's any kind of grouping whatsoever. I've used the laser down the barrel to zero the scope out as best I can in the basement. Now the real world. Here we go. Well, there's a little bit of kick with that one. Yeah, let's try another one. Find out if she cycled. Woohoo! Boy, that old girl means business. And she cycled. So I want to go see where those two shots went and see if I got to make any changes. Okay, I made one trip down. I'll put the picture up here. Not terrible grouping. These aren't probably matched bullets, and this barrel's probably garbage. That's what we're here to kind of sort of find out. I've got some really nice bullets and some really nice powder to try out. A Johnny's Reloading Bench, check him out, I'll put a link in the description, has worked out a load that works really good on his rifle with his barrel, so I'm going to use that to compare to factory in this barrel and see if I keep the barrel or if I get ballistic advantage or something along those lines and throw it on here. For the price that I paid for the upper, I don't mind buying a barrel. It'd just be nice if I got something I could use. So we'll put a couple more rounds downrange and see if they've moved up close to where I was aiming. Boy, that rock and rolls with it. Whew, boy, she got a little kick to her. All right, take another walk, get a little more exercise, and see if it moved up and about where I put them. Okay, so that didn't work. I re-looked at the cardboard target. I got, you know, plenty of cardboard all the way around the target, and after re-looking at it and repositioning and firing another test shot, I don't think I've been on the cardboard yet, so I don't know what this barrel is doing, if it's the ammo or if that laser's just that far off. We're gonna have to move to a shorter range and see if I can get it on paper so I can dial it in. But it is it's missing quite a bit of cardboard at 100 yards right now. Okay, we've moved to the 50-yard range. I've adjusted it back down to where I started from. Changed it to 50-yard parallax, dropped it down to 10 power because I don't need as much magnification. And we're gonna do some offhand here on the bench. Railing this thing, wood in front of me, and just give her a couple of shots and see if I can get her on cardboard. And without the lead sled, see how much it actually recoils. On the upside, it is chambered, extracted, ejected, and the last round hold open is currently holding it bolt open, so the upper is functioning. I just don't know where. A lot of metal moving. Boy, you really know you pulled the trigger on that one. Okay. And now my glasses are fogged up. So, just because we're closer, I'm going to try to use the scope. Check the cardboard, save me some walking. But I'm going to do it without my glasses. So. I think I finally got some holes on there. Yeah. Still awfully high. We're going to go down another 10. I lied, I went down 15. So I'll get my glasses back in there. Then I put her back to 10 power and see if that helped. Boy, these puppies fog up quick. Close enough. Okay, that looks like it brought it down a few inches, but I need to bring it down more. So we're going to go down. We're going to go down some more and go over because I'm going to miss my target. Where are we at? There we go. All right, let's see if I can use this Christmas tree. We're about 15 high. So we're going to go down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright, I think I brought us down closer. And if we want to go over, that's about 8. 8 times 4, 32. 32 to the right. Okay, so I should be high, but centered now. There to the right and high, but we're on paper. We're in the second black ring, whatever the hell that is. And we're on, yeah, we're on paper. All right, let's go 1 MO left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. Let's go Another half. So that should have us there. And then let's go 1 inch down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, we're at 50 yards, so it's less, so I might have overshot. We'll find out in about a second here. Okay, we're touching the red. That's good. I'm happy. I'm happy. We're on the red dot. Just a little bit more. 2. And going down. 2. Now we need more bullets. Hopefully. And that's all the bullets I have for today. So we made some progress. It's cycled flawlessly. I just gotta, now I'm on paper, I can try grouping and see what it does with these generic bullets that I don't know who made. And when the good stuff comes in, we'll move her out to 100, reload, and really see what this barrel can do. So until next time, it's cold out. Whew. We got winners. Well, she's a little rough on them. It'll work. All right, don't shoot, don't shoot.